Here's a quick look at Stella Weds 250 GSM light pink cardstock. This card has a medium to heavyweight feel that suits a wide range of papercraft projects. It is double-sided and the colour runs right through the core, which helps keep the finish looking consistent when the card is cut. It is also suitable for inkjet and laser printing, provided your printer can handle 250 GSM. Crafters who want a versatile card, it can be die cut, embossed, printed, scored, or foiled and painted as well. If you need a vivid pink colour card for your next project, give this Stella Weds cardstock a try. We also stock a large range of colours, sizes and textures in our cardstock range.